नमस्कार। मेडिटेशन, ध्यान, ये शायद आपने बहुत सारे बार ट्राई किया होगा और आपको ये पता भी है कि व्हेन वी गो इनटू द मेडिटेटिव प्रोसेसेस क्या होता है। वी जस्ट ट्रैवल फ्रॉम द बीटा स्टेट टू द अल्फा स्टेट एंड टू द थीटा स्टेट. When we go to the alpha state, we have a new kind of realization, and when we reach out to the theta state, there is where the creative process starts. और वहाँ पे जब आप एक बार पहुँच जाते हो तो you become so creative in your thought process that you can create new things in your life. पूरे scientists, even the sports people believe in this. And now, the one more major, wonderful, beautiful thing about meditation is when you meditate, the more you meditate, the better it becomes for you, and you tend to do lesser errors in your life. और क्या होता है, क्यों होता है ये ऐसा? Because when you think clearly, you can take decisions better. और जब आप decisions अच्छे लेते हो तो आपका शरीर, the body gets better. You take better decisions about your body, about your relationships, about your life, as well as about your business. So when there is a clarity in thought, you can do all these things in a much better way. And now, about me, I am Manas Mishra, and in this lockdown, बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारे ट्रेनिंग की, and what we did together is we came up as a close group of people, and we have done more than 300 hours of meditative processes as well as satsang. And now we have brought you the best part of it, and we have closed it into a 9-day intensive program. And if you have ever thought of doing meditation, and you feel like you have stuck somewhere where you think like whenever you are trying to do meditation, thoughts come and grasp you, and you are not able to sit for longer times, or you have been contemplating on trying this and you have never found a right source or right time, I strongly believe this is the place you should be. So here we are coming up with a 9-day intensive program where on the first day we'll be talking about the base level of meditation, and the second day it's the intermediate, and on the third day it's the advanced level of meditation. And this is something that you should be a part of, and you should experience this. It's not about talking, it's about experiencing it all. And beyond that, the next 5 days we are going to bring in the 5 elements, the Pancha Mahabhutas, into play, and we will bring harmony in that, and that will create a beautiful rhythm in your life. And beyond that, on the 9th day, I cannot tell you what's going to happen with you, because this is going to be one of a kind of a experience that you have been waiting for in your life. So do be a part of this phenomenal journey. And as a personal level, I'm also a life coach, and I have been doing this for the past 12 years, and I have been training people in India, across the globe as well, and I have trained more than 2.5 lakh people by now. And I have worked with from school kids to the people in the business to the general public to hardcore criminals and even police department, and all have got phenomenal results out of it. And if you really want to experience something about spirituality and why I talk about spirituality, then there is another part to me, because since the age of 7 I have been into the path of spirituality, and I have been going through the process of evolving myself day in and day out. And if you are really interested in evolving yourself, I welcome you to be a part of this phenomenal journey of this 9-day intensive meditative processes. So now, if you really want to be a part of this, the link is shared with you, and you can click that to know more about it and the way it has been designed. And once you go through it, I can assure you one thing: you are going to have the best time of your life, and this should be one of the best decisions that you will ever take. So please don't wait, go ahead and hit the link to know more and register for this 9-day intensive meditative process. Thank you so much.